What's up with you? What is your deal?
I'm not acting weird.
Yeah, you are.
You're acting weird. I'm really fine.
All right, fine.
Jeremy asked me to be his girlfriend.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah.
Kim, we are literally driving across the country. No. What? What are you even thinking right now? Kim!
What?
No! Dude, he slept with Twiggy. Then he slept with, I don't even, like, what?
don't
She's
know
like
if it
12
was-
years
yeah.
old.
Yeah.
You're a beautiful, intelligent, independent black woman. Okay? Do you promise me that we're done with this?
Yeah.
Don't want to hear about this again.
But I think I love him.
If I